So this is for class 9th maths, okay, trigonometry chapter, okay, exercise 1, lecture 2, okay. You can even check the link in the description, okay, for previous class, lecture 1, okay. So let me start with the exercise 1, okay. So this is the exercise 1, okay. So here is the exercise 1. First question is angle R. Over here angle R is the right angle of triangle PQR, okay. So angle R is what? It is a right angle triangle of triangle PQR, okay. Write the following ratios. So basically you will have to write the following ratio. You will have to write the ratio of sin P. You will have to write the ratio of cos Q, tan P, tan Q, okay. So here what you all are going to do is, so you all are going to have to solve this for that, okay. So what was sine P basically? Sine P was nothing but your sine P formula, okay. This is a rule, right? Rule. What was the rule? Okay, this is a rough column, okay, rough. So what was the rule over here? It was nothing but opposite upon hypotenuse, okay. Now before looking for the exercise 1, I need to give you all the important first. So here we go, okay. Now this was taught you all in the previous lecture 1, okay. So in right angle triangle ABC, okay, was given. So you'll have to know what is the which is the opposite side, which is the adjacent side, okay. Now this is the opposite side of the A. Opposite side of A is what? C and B, right? Here opposite side of C will be what? AB, okay? And when we talk about adjacent side of this A, it will be AB, and adjacent side of C will be over here, of C will be what? CB, right? So this concept is very important. You all have to study this to know this exercise 1, okay? So let me start solving with the exercise 1, okay? So when you all talk about the rules, you'll have to check the previous lecture, okay? So now sin P is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So sin P. So what is the opposite of P? Opposite of P is nothing but QR, right? Opposite of P is nothing but QR. Okay? So you'll have to write down QR upon what it is, hypotenuse. Now what is the hypotenuse part? Hypotenuse is nothing but PQ, right? So I'll have to write down PQ, okay. So we found out what is a sin P. Similar way we need to find out what is a cos Q, okay. So for that I'll move to the next page, okay. Now here what is given is nothing but cos Q is given, right? Cos Q is given over here, okay. So we need to find out what it is. For that what we need to do is, you all can see over here, cos Q is nothing but adjacent upon hypotenuse. So cos Q is what is the adjacent side of Q? Adjacent side of Q is nothing but QR, okay, and upon hypotenuse, that is PQ. So QR upon PQ. So I'll have to write down, okay, QR upon PQ, okay. So let me make it short, okay. So basically QR upon PQ, okay. Next let us see what is tan P. Tan formula is what? Opposite upon adjacent, okay. So opposite of tan P, opposite of P is what? Nothing but QR, okay. So place it. So it is nothing but QR upon what will be it? So it is going to be So upon adjacent is there, so which is the adjacent side of this? So I have taken tan p, which was opposite, right? I think it was opposite upon adjacent. Yeah, opposite meaning tan p was qr upon, now which is the adjacent side? Pr. Okay, so pr, you all have to write it down. Okay, so pr. Okay, next will be tan q. So let us see what is the tan q. Okay, tan q will be what? Opposite upon adjacent. But opposite of q is what? Opposite of q is nothing but p and r. So I'll have to write down pr upon adjacent side. Okay, adjacent side I'll need to check. So I'll have taken pr to be opposite side of q, right? So your adjacent side will be now qr. Okay, qr will be your adjacent side. So write it down, qr. Okay, I hope you all have understood the question number 1. Now moving towards the question number 2. Okay, let us move to the so I have moved towards the question number 2. Okay, in the right angle triangle xyz. Okay, now this is a this is a right triangle xyz. Okay, this is a right triangle xyz. Okay, xyz. Now this xyz is equal to what? 90 degree. Over here it is 90 degree, right? And a comma b comma c are the length of the side as shown in the figure. What are this b and c? Now this is b, right? This portion, and this portion is a, this portion is c. Now they are the length of the side as shown in the figure, right? So you all have to write the following ratios of sin x. Okay, so you all have to write what? Sin x, tan z, cos x and tan x. Okay, so what you all are going to do is, first thing is sin x. Now what is sin x? Now what was the formula for that? Sin was opposite upon hypotenuse, right? So here we need to write it down for each and everything. So basically, let me write down it for you all. So basically what was it? Sine was nothing but opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos was nothing but adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan was nothing but opposite upon adjacent, right? So over here what you all need to do is take down this. Now we need to find out what is sine. Okay, sine x. So what is the opposite of sine x? Opposite of sine x was nothing but y z, right? So it would be a, right? We have to take it as length a. So opposite of x is nothing but yz is there, but you have to take a here. What is yz? A. So write it down over here, a upon, now upon hypotenuse is given, right? What is the hypotenuse over here? C is the hypotenuse part. Okay, so write down C. Okay, so basically it is nothing but a upon C. A upon C. Okay, next let us see what is tan z. Tan z is opposite upon adjacent. Now what is the opposite of z? Opposite of z is nothing but yx is there. Okay, so what is your y and x? It is b, right? So you all can write it down, b upon, now what is adjacent? Over here adjacent is there. So what is the adjacent side? So I have taken this, so adjacent side will be a, right? This is adjacent. Okay, because opposite of z was this, right? Yx, that was b. Now adjacent side will be yz, that will be a. Okay, so you all can plug the value a over here. So next let us see the cos of x. Cos of x is nothing but adjacent upon hypotenuse. Okay, so what is adjacent of this? X is there, right? So it will be adjacent of cos x, sorry, cos x is adjacent upon hypotenuse, so it is yx, so it will be b upon c. Hypotenuse is c. Okay, so it will be b upon c. So you will write down b upon c. Next will be, okay, wait, next it is going to be tan of x. Now tan of x is what? It will be opposite upon what? It will be opposite upon adjacent, right? So opposite side of angle x is what? It will be yz. So it will be a upon b, right? So a upon b, because opposite will be this one upon adjacent is there, so adjacent side will be this yx, so it will be a upon b. So you all can write it down, a upon b. So this is nothing but a upon b. Okay, and you all can take down this. So next, moving towards the question number 3, that is this one. So here question number 3 is given to you all. I hope you all can see this clearly. Third one is in right angle triangle, angle, this is LMN. Okay, so this is a right triangle, that is LMN over here. Okay, like angle LMN is equal to 90 degree. Okay, here you all can see M is 90 degree over here, this. Okay, next you all can take down angle L is equal to 50 degree and angle N is equal to 40 degree. Write the following ratios. So you will have to write the following ratios. Okay, sin 50, second will be cos 50, third will be tan 40 and cos 40 fourth. Okay, which you all have to solve in this. Okay, so four things are given, right? So how you all are going to solve this? First one, I am going to do it over here only. Okay, first and second, let me solve it over here. Okay, and for 10 and this I will be solving it over here. Okay, so you all can just write it down over here. Okay, so first is what? Sin 50 degree. So sin 50 is what? So moving towards the page. Okay, now can you all see the triangle over here, that is LMN. Okay, LMN. Okay, so what is given? We need to find out sine ratio of what? Sine 50 degree. So sine 50 degree meaning what is sine? Opposite upon hypotenuse, right? So opposite upon hypotenuse, sine. So sine of 50 is how much? Sine of 50 will be what? It is opposite of L will be what? M and N. Okay, so you can write down Mn upon hypotenuse it was. So Mn upon Ln. Okay, so let me write it down. Sine 50 degree is nothing but Mn upon Ln. Okay, Lm, sorry, Mn it is, right? Next you will have is cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So cos of 50 is what? So cos of 50. So it is L, right? So what will be the adjacent side? It will be, adjacent side of this will be Lm upon hypotenuse is Ln. So it is Lm upon hypotenuse, right? Cos it is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So it will be Lm upon Ln. So you all can write it down. Lm upon Ln. Okay. Next, moving towards the tan theta. For tan theta, what is the formula? Opposite upon adjacent. So what is the opposite of 40? Opposite of 40 is what? Lm, right? So let me write down. Lm upon what it was? So mn, right? So basically what it was, it is nothing but for 10, it is opposite upon adjacent. So 10 of 40 opposite will be what? 10 of n will be lm, okay, upon adjacent. So if this is the opposite side, what, which will be the adjacent side? Mn, right? Next, moving towards the cos of 40 degree. For cos, what is the formula? Adjacent upon, what is the this thing? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So which is the cos of 40? Adjacent. So adjacent will be mn, okay, upon hypotenuse will be ln, okay. So write it down. So mn upon mn, okay, wait. So it is mn upon ln, okay. So I can write it down. So it is m n upon ln, right? So this is, you all can write it down. Next, moving towards the question number 4, okay. Now question number 4 tells you us what? Now this is angle PQS is equal to 90 degree, and this is angle PQR which is equal to 90 degree. Angle PRQ is equal to alpha, and angle QPS is equal to theta, okay. Write the following trigonometric ratio: sin alpha, cos alpha, tan alpha. For this one, you'll have to write down the trigonometric ratios, and for second one, it is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, okay. So now what is this? Basically this is a triangle, right? Angle PQ, angle PRQ, it is alpha, and for angle QPS it is theta, okay. So you'll have to write the trigonometric ratios. So for that, what you need to do is you'll have to make it half for alpha, okay. Now this is for, okay, now this will be your alpha, okay, this is your P, this is your R, okay, and this will be your Q, okay, and that other side will be what? This side, okay, which is nothing but your Q, S, and this is your P, which is nothing but theta, right? So basically what I have done over here is, I have taken this thing, the side of P, R, Q in this, because it is consisting of alpha, okay. So we will solve this with using only this triangle, okay. And afterwards we will solve this part, okay, with which consists of theta. So what is sin alpha now? Sin alpha will be what? As like in the previous, I have already told you all about, like sine was opposite upon hypotenuse. So sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. So what is opposite of sin alpha? Opposite of sin alpha will be nothing but PQ, right? P and Q. Opposite of alpha is PQ. Upon hypotenuse will be PR. So you all can write it down. PQ upon PR, okay, comma. For cos it is adjacent upon hypotenuse, okay, adjacent. Now adjacent of this is what? RQ upon hypotenuse is PR, okay. So it is RQ upon PR. So you all can write it down, RQ upon PR, comma. Next is what? Next will be tan alpha. Tan alpha was opposite upon adjacent, right? Opposite side of tan alpha is what? Opposite of this is PQ, right? So write down PQ upon adjacent will be RQ, okay? So PQ upon RQ. Next, let us see sin theta. For sin theta, we need to check this side, okay? So it is opposite upon adjacent. Sin theta will be opposite, will be QS upon PS. Okay, write it down. So, okay. So I have done for sine theta, right? So what was sine theta? Nothing but opposite upon adjacent. So sine theta, opposite of sine theta is nothing but QS, and hypotenuse is nothing but PS. So now let us go for cos theta. Now cos theta will be what? It is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent will be PQ. Okay, this is will be adjacent side PQ upon PS. Okay. So PQ upon what it is? PS, right? PS. Next, let us see tan theta. Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. So what is the opposite of tan theta? Nothing but QS. Upon adjacent side will be PQ. Okay. So QS upon PQ. So write down QS upon PQ. Okay. So with this, I'm done with today's class. I hope you all have understood. Okay. For previous lecture 1, check the link below description or go to the playlist trigonometry class 9th. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Okay. And so in the next class, I will be moving towards the relation among trigonometric ratios. I will be solving that along with paper folding activity on theorem of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree trigonometric notes. I will be giving it to you all. Okay. And I hope you are okay. Thanks for watching.